Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to share some strategies with you and some directions for completing the online registration of your child for the new and upcoming school year. You may use the link at the top of the page titled Website Link, or you may go to the Rock Hill Schools website and search from there for verification. This does need to be completed before that first day of school. The sooner the better. Once you are on the page, it'll say Welcome back to Rock Hill Schools. You'll see at the top of the screen there is a blue new student link that you would click on. If your child's a returning student, you'll scroll down. Here it says Steps for Returning Student Verification. As you scroll down that page, your screen will look like this, and you would click to complete returning student online verification. So either way, you're going to get to a screen that will allow you to verify and update any new information for your child. Once you start the verification, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. It asks you to log in. The username for your child is their first initial, last initial, lunch number. If you look right here at the red arrow, there's no spaces. The password is the date of birth of your child. If you'll notice here in the example, there are no spaces and there are no dashes or any kind of dividing symbols used. If your child's birthday happens to be in a month that is a single digit, like March, you would add a 0. So if your child's birthday was in March, it would be 03/22/2013. Once you have those two pieces of information, you can click Login. And once you are in, you will see Update Status page, and you should be able to see your child's name. And then you would click Family Review. Once you click Family Review, you would go through and answer or update any of the questions that it presents to you. For example, if your address is the same, there's a button you can click um, to verify it, and there's no change. If you need a change, it will let you. But you'll go through the each question, updating or saving it as it was from the previous year. And then you're going to get to a point that asks you to show proof of residency. You will want to take a picture if you're using your phone or a laptop or any other type of device. Take a picture of an electric bill, a phone bill, a renter agreement, whatever type of bill you have that shows your name and your address. Take a picture of it, and then this is where you would upload that picture. You would click on the Browse button, then choose the picture of your proof of residency. And then right underneath the Browse button, it will show the image once it's uploaded. And then you would click Save and Next. Once you do that, you would continue updating your information until you get to a screen that looks like this. You are almost, you are almost finished. Once you are done, it will ask you to look over everything, and then you would click continue if you have looked over everything that you've entered. Once you click continue, you are finished with the verification, and you will get a screen that looks like this. Your online work is done, and then you would simply click OK. If you need to send a picture of your proof of residency, um, you can have it sent to the number below. You can take a snapshot picture of it, make sure your name shows along with your address, and text it to the picture below. If you text it to the number below, make sure you include your name and your child's name, and I will get that sent over to the main office and get that printed for you. You can also text any questions you may have as you're completing the process, and I will text you back with an answer. And just remember that if you have a question, make sure you include your name and your child's name. Hopefully, you found this helpful, and please, if you need any